Chikoo the elephant escaped from the zoo. It came as no surprise, for it wasn't something new. He had done it before, in the summer of 2017. Unlike that time, though, he was nowhere to be seen. Until one hot, suburban afternoon, when little Poco returned home from school, he heard a loud splash outside in the backyard and rushed to find an elephant in the pool. "Mom, I think it's Chikoo the elephant," little Poco yelled out. The mother, busy speaking on the phone, said, "Poco, stop kidding and don't shout." "Mom, I'm serious. Come and see. Come fast. Come now. You've got to believe me." The mother paid no heed to Poco's amplified cries, while Chikoo the elephant enjoyed his laps and dives. Soon Chikoo emerged out of the pool and ambled his way out gracefully. As Poco saw him disappearing into the bushes, his mother came out and asked, "So, where is he?" Poco pointed out the trampled vegetable garden and big wet footprints on the ground. The mother shuddered and let out a shriek and hugged Poco, saying, "Thank God you're safe and sound." The local authorities were informed of Chikoo. In no time they found him and returned him to the zoo. And then, when the zoo learned what Poco saw, just to be doubly and triply certain, they built Chikoo a private pool to prevent him from leaving again. That brings us to the end of another bedtime rhyme. Off you go now, into a land of beautiful dreams. This is MonMon wishing you all good night.